Hello, beautiful. Welcome to my channel. I'm JoDee. So excited that you're here today because we are going shopping at two vintage shops in New York City. Yes, the biggest city in our country. And we're going to see two amazing vintage shops. And I'm going to take you along with me. Before we go to the city, please do me a favor. Hit the like and subscribe button right now because we're almost at 1,000 followers. I'm so excited and I appreciate all of your support. It's been meaning so much to me to see the number of people seeing my videos go up and the fact that you're enjoying it and leaving me comments and suggestions for other videos. I hear you, I see you. So if you are into beauty on a budget, looking like $1 million but not spending $1 million, hit the subscribe button because this is your channel. I'm your girl. Okay, now let's head down to New York City. We're gonna take a train down there because that's how I like to travel down there. There's our first stop, L Train Vintage. And then right next to it, there's another one. So I'm pretty excited. Let's go shopping. It's so cute. It's a short set, but it's too small. Looks like nothing from the front, but a black robe, but bam! The design is a little messed up though. So there were a lot of things in there, but just, I wanted to get something special because the prices are rather high, even though it was really curated and very nice. So we are at one right around the corner. This place is called Urban Jungle, and I've heard really good things about it, so let's go inside. This is all leather. See if we can find some colored leather. Ooh, pretty purple. Looks a little short though, no? $10. Okay. I need to get serious and start looking. I like this shirt, but I don't know if I'll get much wear out of it. Because when I'm bummy, I'm bummy. When I'm dressed up, I'm dressed up. And this is kind of like an in-between shirt. But I like it. It's just, I don't know if I'm gonna wear it enough. Here I am with another printed skirt. I mean, I like the fact that it's not that busy. Well, okay, it's busy, but it's just black and white. But I don't know if I'm gonna wear it. This is more my co-anchor's wheelhouse. Pinks and blues. Oh, but I just realized that this is broken. It's not gonna happen. It's a fun little pattern. These honestly look too big and I don't think I will wear them. This skirt is one size smaller than I am right now. Do I get it? $10. I feel like it just brings attention to the bottom when I wear prints on the bottom. I don't know. I don't know, ladies. I really don't know. So these are short. But this right here is very dated. What if I took it off? And it's just the top and bottom. This would be kind of cute. Just don't know if it'd be loose enough like I want it to be. These are shorts and I love this, but I'm not sure I like this right here. It kind of like poofs it out. I don't know. Maybe I'll try it on over my clothes. Okay. Told you, don't like this part right here. This is cute and it's also missing some buttons. So it's a no. The stores were amazing down there and I put a lot of pressure on myself to find like the perfect items. I can't wait to go back again because I think I'll put less pressure on myself. I always tend to put a little bit of pressure on myself when I'm going to a new location because I want to find that perfect item. I did find some really amazing things. So guess what? That means it's time for the haul. Okay, here we go. Look at this. These linen shorts are by Sag Harbor. This top is by Notations. Very tropical in nature, but yet still, you could probably wear this to work. I would wear these shorts to work as professional shorts, just maybe wear them with a cute little kitten heel. And this top, you know, it just makes you feel fun and flirty. And what I love about this is I have it tucked under right now, but look, it goes all the way down and it could be more like a casual look, but I kind of like this as a more professional look. Isn't this design just so freaky? I love it. I couldn't handle all the palm trees. I was like, oh, a couple of palm trees, flowers? Yes. This blouse is by Impressions. It was $6. I have been attracted to black and beige lately. I don't know what it is. I'm normally a color girl, but for some reason, I've been pinning a lot of black and brown and muted tone items. And you know what? I just figured I'd embrace it, but still with a playful pattern. So as you can see, this has a playful flower pattern, but it is with the beige and brown. I do love it. Shoulder pads intact for sure. But I think it's very, you know, elegant. I kind of like the fact that it has the fun, playful print, but it's still kind of muted and down. Fall is gonna be a fun time, even though I don't like it when it gets cold. I don't want it to hurry up, but let me tell you, the fashion, yes, it's gonna be on point this year. Okay, hear me out. I know this blouse looks very similar to the last one, but that one was black and beige. This one's beige and black. I couldn't decide. It has pretty much the same print. It's by Alfred Dunner. It's a vintage top as well. Obviously, all of these items are vintage because I went to a vintage store. But I mean, it just, I don't know, these colors have been calling me, so I'm embracing it. When something calls you, just embrace it. And you know, fashion is so quick and it moves so fast. You can do something like this and then change your mind. And I got this for $6 as well. I love the print on it, and I love the fact that it's a little bit lighter. It's brighter for my face, but it's still in that tone, the muted tone that I like, that I'm attracted to right now. And so yeah, I had to pick this one up too. I was trying to pick between the two. I just couldn't do it. Even though it was very hot outside, I was thinking fall, and this blouse just jumped out at me. Take a look at the print on this. This is by Nicola, and I love the geometric print on it. I love the high neck. It just really matches my hair color really well. I really love how this blouse looks on me. I have it untucked right now, but I can also tuck it up. I love how it looks. It definitely has shoulder pads. It's by Nicola, and I paid a whopping $8 for this. $8. Oh, I think this might be my favorite purchase. Oh, look at this. Look at the beautiful, vibrant floral design on this top. And I love the high neck and the decorative design, how it's got a little bit of pleating here and buttons up with a side, kind of a puffy collar. This is by Helen St. Clair. This top, amazing gorgeousness. I'm gonna take out the shoulder pads. There's shoulder pads in this, but I don't think I need them in this, but it doesn't bug me either. Look how gorgeous this top is. It's so beautiful. I forgot how beautiful this top was. Oh my God, I can't wait to wear it at work. I love it. Love it. Okay, so tell me, what was your favorite item? I know I left a lot behind, and it was because I really had my mind set on getting some Fry boots. And I'll leave a picture up here somewhere of the boots that I saw in several different sizes, just not my size. Oh gosh, I don't know. Once I saw those boots, that's all I had my mind on because they were going for like $20 or $30 down there. Oh, I still have my mind set, and I'm still hoping that the universe will give me a pair of Fry boots because they are gorgeous. I love the square toe on them. And I think I got some cute pieces, but I'm going to go a little bit more ham the next time we go down there because now that I've spent some time in those stores, I know that there are some things that I left behind that I really wanted, like a jean jacket. As many jean jackets as I have, you know, you can never have too many. Also, it would have been nice to be able to try on some dresses. They didn't have the dressing rooms open, so I couldn't try anything on. So I left a lot of dresses behind that I probably would have picked up if I had a chance to try it on. But I had a great time, and I hope you did as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe right now because we are almost at 1,000 followers, and I am so appreciative of your support. It really, truly fuels me to make more videos, and it means a lot. I mean, every week I look forward to being able to talk with you and show you my finds. Yes, my closet is huge, but I'm doing a lot of purging lately too because I really want to like curate my wardrobe. Like this was an item that I got at the bins last week in the video. So, I mean, I love this shirt. It's like so cute. I'll make sure I put a link above so that way you can go check out that video because the bins, chef's kiss, love going shopping at the bins. They do have some bins down in New York City, but I heard they're pretty cutthroat. So I don't know if I'm going to hit that one just yet. I'm kind of scared about that. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will be back next Thursday with another thrift trip, maybe vintage shopping. Who knows? We're going to go and enjoy the world of sustainable fashion. Thank you so much for tuning in. I love you. Bye.